Good morning student, welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the some numerical problem which is based on class 10 science. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the combination of the resistance, heating effect of electric current. So in this sequence we will discuss about the some numerical problem which is based on the electricity. Now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the first question of in this video, that is in this figure, calculate the power supplied to the circuit, and second is the calculate the current in the refrigerator, and third question is here, the energy used by fan in 3 hours. And next question is given here, the resistance of the filament of one lamp. So in this circuit diagram there are the two appliances is connected here. That is the first is given fan, and the power of fan is given here 1.2 kilowatt, and second is the refrigerator, and the power of refrigerator is given here 200 watt, and the two bulbs are connected in this circuit, and power of each bulb is given here 60 watt. So according to the first question, calculate the power supplied to the circuit. So power supplied to the circuit, power supplied So here the first appliances given here fan, and total power used by the fan is here, that is power of fan is given here 1.2 kilowatt, then 1.2 kilowatt, and next appliances here is refrigerator, and the power of refrigerator is given 200 watt, 200 watt, and next is given here the bulb, and the power of bulb is given here, that is the 60 watt plus 60 watt. Now the convert in the kilowatt in the term of the hour watt. Then as you know that 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. Then 1.2 multiplied by 1000 plus 200 watt plus 60 plus 60. Then we can write here 1.2 multiplied by 1000, that is 1200 plus 200 watt plus 60 plus 60, that is the 120. So we can write here, that is the 0 2, then 1 to 5, 520 watt, and in the term of the kilowatt it is clear that 1520 divided by 1000, then 1.52 kilo watt. The next question in this circuit diagram is given here, the calculate the current in the refrigerator. Now the next question, calculate the current in the refrigerator. Current flows I flows in refrigerator. So here is the power of the refrigerator given here is 200 watt. Then current in the refrigerator, current flows across through the refrigerator. That is, we know that the according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R, and in the term of the power, that is, we know that P equal to V into I, then I equal to P by V, means power by voltage. So power of the refrigerator is given here 200 watt, and the voltage in this circuit, that is a 240 volt. Then power is given here 200 by, and voltage in this circuit 240 volt, it is 240. Then 10 by 12 and 5 6 and 5 by 6 equal to 0.83 ampere. Now the next question is here in this circuit diagram, the energy used by the fan in 3 hours. The energy used by the fan in 3 hours. So the power of fan is given here 1.2 kilowatt, and energy used by the fan, energy used by fan in 3 hours. So we know that the electrical energy in the term of the power and time, that is the electrical energy is same as the power into time. So the formula of the electrical energy equal to power into time equal to E into T. So power of the fan is given here 1.2 kilowatt, 1.2 kilowatt, and the fan used in 3 hours, then time equal to 3 hours. Then kilowatt, change the kilowatt in the term of the watt, then 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt, then 1.2 multiplied by 1000, then 1.2 into 1000, that is, and 3 hours change in the form of the second. So here the time is given in this question, that is the 3 hours. We convert the hours in the form of the second, that the 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 second, then 3 hour equal to 3 into 60 into 60, 3 into 60 into 60, then 60 into 60, then 3 into 60 into 60, then 1.2 multiplied by 1000, it is clear that 1200 into 3 into 60 into 3600. Now multiply by the 12 into 3, that is 36 into 1, 10,000. So multiply by 36 into 36, then 12960. Then we calculate here the 1.3 into 10 to the power 7 joule. So energy used by the fan in 3 hours, that is the electrical energy used by the fan in 3 hours, that is the 1.3 into 10 to the power 7 joule. Now the next question is here. The resistance of the filament of one bulb. Resistance of the filament of one bulb. So here is the power of the bulb is given here, that is the 60 watt. Power of bulb, question number 3. The power of bulb is given here 60 watt. 60 watt. And according to the question, the resistance of the filament of one lamp, then electric current flows in each bulb or each lamp, that is I equal to P by B. Then power of bulb is given here 60 watt and 60 watt, and voltage in this circuit, that is 240. Then 1 by 4, that is the 0.5 ampere. So in this question, what is the resistance of the filament of one lamp? Then R equal to potential difference by electric current, and voltage is given here 240 volt, and electric current, that is the 0.5 ampere. Then 240 by 0.5. Now we can write here 240 by 5 into 10, that is 480 omega. That is 400. So here the electric current, that is the P by V, and 60 by 240, that is the 1 by 4. Then 0.25, that is the 0.25. Then R equal to V by I, then 240 by 25 into 100, then 4, and 240 into 4, that is 960 omega. So it is clear that resistance of the filament is 960 omega. So now the next question is, now the next question is equivalent resistance in this circuit. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the following network. So here is there the three resistors are used in this circuit, that is 10 omega, 20 omega and 20 omega. So according to this question, find the equivalent resistance in this circuit. Then here is the 20 omega and 20 omega, they are connected to the parallel combination, because both resistors are joined to common point, and here the electric current in each resistor will be different. So according to the parallel combination, we know that the equivalent or effective resistance is same as the sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistor. So first of all, we calculate the this parallel combination. The effective resistance is here, that is 1 by R equal to, there are 20 and 20 omega and 20 omega, these resistors are used in the parallel combination. So according to the parallel combination, the total resistance is same as the sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistor used in the circuit. So apply the parallel combination is here, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20, then 1 by R equal to 20, 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 20, then 1 by R equal to 1 by 10 omega, and R equal to 10 omega. Here is the 20 omega and 20 omega, they are connected in the parallel combination, and they convert in the single resistor of the 10 omega now the next 10 omega and 10 omega, they are connected in series combination. So the total resistance in this circuit diagram, that is R dash here is the 10 omega and 20 omega, they make the single resistor, and the capacity of the single resistor is here is the 10 omega, then 10 plus 10, that is 20 omega. The equivalent resistance in this circuit, that is the 20 omega resistor.